Bitcoin trades above $29,000, Ether stays above $1,900. Pepe coin shorters lose millions as Pepe jumps to $900 million valuation. UK's FCA continues crackdown on unregistered crypto ATMs. Zimbabwe's central bank wants citizens to subscribe to its gold-backed digital currency. Israel has seized 190 Binance accounts with alleged terrorist ties since 2021. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as investors assessed the latest bank crisis as well as interest rate hikes by the US and European central banks. Bitcoin hovered around $29,000, the crucial level. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 39,340 points. In an interesting news, US initial jobless claims data rose by 13,000 to 242,000 for the week ended 29 April, the biggest increase in 6 weeks. Even while the labor market is beginning to deteriorate, it's still cooling at a much slower pace than other economic indicators in the aftermath of Federal Reserve's aggressive tightening campaign. In other news, the Federal Reserve hiked interest rates by 25 basis points earlier this week. The European Central Bank also raised interest rates by a quarter of a percentage point, a slowdown from previous increases, but warned the fight against inflation was not yet won. The US Central Bank also suggested that its campaign of rate increases would soon come to an end. Although Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell stressed that it is still too early to begin reducing rates. Interestingly, as the demand for trading the Pepe meme coin continues to climb, Ethereum gas fees have surged to a one-year high. It's probable that interest in meme coins, particularly the recently released Pepe, is responsible for the revival in gas fees. Pepe's trading volume on Uniswap has topped to $150 million over the last 24 hours, outpacing wrapped Bitcoin and USDT stablecoin levels. The global cryptocurrency market cap hovered around $1.20 trillion mark, decreasing 0.6% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes decreased by 24% to $34 billion. Stocks of several US regional banks tanked, including those of Los Angeles-based PacWest Bancorp dropping 50% Thursday afternoon and Phoenix-based Western Alliance Bank Corporation falling 38%. Investors fretted over bank sector contagion, which began in mid-March with the collapse of 3 banks, including Silicon Valley and Signature. With the financial sector getting increasingly ugly, the trouble for the broader economy is likely to spread. As such, the Bitcoin appears anchored until it gets regulatory clarity, Edward Moyer, senior market analyst for foreign exchange Rwanda, wrote in a Thursday note. US stock futures rose after tech giant Apple revealed its latest quarterly earnings. Meanwhile, investors looked forward to the fresh release of US jobs data. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 98 points or 0.3%. S&P 500 futures gained 0.45%, while Nasdaq 100 futures added 0.5%. Bitcoin was trading at $29,154, down 0.4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.3%, trading at $1,907. On my left, BNB was down by 0.5% to trade at $325. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 1.8% and was trading at $22. Cardano's ADA token was again down by 1.3% to trade at $0.38. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $17, lower 0.2%. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was trading down by 1% to trade at $0.99. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.8% at $0.078. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.46, down again by 0.1%. Polkadot was down by 0.2% to trade at $5.7.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Pepe Coin is the token that keeps on giving, at least so far. The tokens have run from strength to strength in the past week, even as skeptics warned of an impending collapse, gaining some 500% in the past 2 weeks as per CoinGecko data. These warnings centered around the apparent number of whales or entities who hold large amounts of any token who purchased Pepe in the hours after it was first issued in mid-April. That has led to short interest booming among futures traders. Shorts refer to bets against a token's price. An 80% price pump in the past 24 hours has led to outsized losses for these traders. However, CoinGlass data shows shorts against Pepe lost at least $11 million on several exchanges over the past 24 hours, with traders losing $5.5 million on crypto exchange OKX alone, the highest figure among counterparts. Traders lost another $2.2 million on Hobby, some $3.6 million on Bybit, and a few $100,000 on BitMEX. All these exchanges started offering Pepe futures trading in the past week. UK's financial regulator, the Financial Conduct Authority, is continuing its crackdown on unlawful crypto ATMs. The FCA said it has inspected sites in Exeter, Nottingham, and Sheffield alongside the regional police. The devices for turning fiat currency into crypto are seen as a money laundering threat, and none are lodged with the FCA as is required by the law, the regulator said in a statement on Friday. Crypto ATMs operating without FCA registration are illegal, said Therese Chambers, the FCA's Executive Director of Enforcement and Market Oversight. We will act to stop illegal activity. The FCA said it was reviewing the evidence gained from its inspection that did not specify what further action, if any, might be taken. The raids follow enforcement action in Leeds and East London that were announced in March. There are 17 crypto ATMs in the UK, according to the Coin ATM Radar website, but the FCA says that none of the 40 or so registered crypto companies are permitted to offer that service. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe invited individuals and financial institutions in the country to subscribe to its upcoming gold-backed digital token in a Thursday notice. Applications for the token must be for a minimum of $10 for individuals and $5,000 for financial institutions and corporates, according to the notice. RBZ announced in April that the tokens meant to combat its volatile local currency will be issued on May 8th. In March, inflation in Zimbabwe stood at 87.6% after hitting a high of 285% in 2022. The central bank has split up the issuance and usage of the token into 2 phases. In the first phase, tokens will be issued for investment purposes and available for sale through banks. Tokens will be held in digital wallets or cards and available for person-to-person and person-to-business transactions in the second phase, the notice said. Israeli authorities have seized roughly 190 Binance accounts with alleged ties to terrorist groups such as Hamas and Daesh since 2021. The report cites never-before published documents from Israel's National Bureau for Counter-Terror Financing, a counter-terrorism division of the Israeli Defense Ministry. According to those documents, the NBCTF confiscated in January an undisclosed amount of crypto from 2 accounts with alleged links to Daesh, a terrorist group based in Syria and Iraq. Other government records dating as far back as 2021 alleged more than 100 of the seized Binance accounts had ties to Hamas, an armed Palestinian group that has often clashed with the Israeli Defense Forces. Israeli authorities seized the funds to thwart the activity of Daesh and impair its ability to further its goals, the NBCTF said on its website. Now let's go to Shekha Singh to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
According to CoinGecko data, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Pepe has seen its market capitalization rocket towards $1 billion and a spectacular increase. The meme coin has increased by 78% in the last 24 hours. Pepe's 24-hour trade volume has now surpassed $610 million. The digital currency, which is associated with the well-known internet meme character Pepe the Frog, has established itself as a powerful competitor in the meme coin field, even rivaling Shiba Inu. The unexpected increase in Pepe's market value and trading volume could be due to the cryptocurrency's recent inclusion on BitMEX, one of the major cryptocurrency exchanges. Users can utilize the listing to trade Pepe against the US dollar and Tether with up to 50x leverage. This development follows the digital asset's recent surge in popularity, which saw its 24-hour trading volume surpass that of the long-standing Doge. Pepe is now also available on other significant exchanges such as OKX, MEXC Global, Yobi and Gate.io. Pepe was trading at 64.66% up in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $8 million. Tron is up more than 5% and trading about $0.068 against the US dollar. Tron outperformed Bitcoin and climbed to $0.075. Tron is trading above the pivot level of $0.0680 versus the US dollar. The price is currently trading about 0.0685 and the 4-hour 100 simple moving average. According to Kraken data, a big bullish trend line is emerging with support near $0.0692 on the 4-hour chart of the TRX USD pair. If the pair breaks through the $0.0695 resistance level, it is expected to continue rising. Tron's price has held steady at $0.0650 against the US dollar in recent sessions, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. TRX gained pace for a clear move above the $0.068 resistance and the 100 simple moving average. Tron was trading at $0.06, up 0.54% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $6 billion. Lido recently underwent an audit, the results of which were revealed on May 3rd. Multiple issues were discovered according to StateMine, the blockchain auditing firm that conducted the audit. According to the official notification, 120 flaws were discovered during the audit, 2 of which were classed as critical. They included funds that could be stolen by malicious staking modules as well as recentry when depositing buffered Ether. The first issue highlights a potential danger that could lead to loss. May is shaping up to be the good month for Lido's total value locked currently. Approximately 6.39 million ETH are staked, representing $12.19 billion at the current market value of ETH. Lido was trading at $1.88, down 5.10% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $1 billion.
Thank you, Shikha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV and have a great day.